Most people compare freelancing platforms the wrong way. They only ask which one pays more. But here's the truth, no one tells you. On Upwork and Fiverr in 2026, your earnings depend more on strategy than the platform itself. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing a platform based on hype instead of understanding how clients actually hire. In this video, you will learn which platform pays more in 2026, how each one works, and which one is better for beginners versus experienced freelancers. Let's start simple. Upwork and Fiverr are both freelancing platforms, but they work very differently. On Upwork, clients post jobs and freelancers send proposals. A freelancer like Alex has to pitch themselves, explain their skills, and convince the client. On Fiverr, freelancers create gigs and clients come to them. A freelancer like Jake sets up a service like logo design and waits for buyers to order. Now here's where it gets interesting. These two systems create completely different earning styles. But here's the problem most beginners face. They assume Fiverr is passive income, and Upwork is active income. That is not fully true in 2026. Let's break it down further. Upwork usually pays higher per project once you get clients. Skilled freelancers often charge premium rates because they can negotiate directly. But the challenge is getting the first few clients. It takes proposals, patience, and strong communication. Fiverr, on the other hand, can bring faster small orders if your gig ranks. A freelancer like John can get quick $5 to $50 orders early. But scaling requires strong reviews, SEO optimization, and gig performance. Now let's compare earnings. On average, beginners may earn faster on Fiverr because orders can come in automatically if the gig ranks. But advanced freelancers often earn more on Upwork because of higher value contracts. In a minute, here is the key insight most people miss. The real income difference is not platform-based. It is skill-based. If you are good at selling yourself and writing proposals, Upwork can scale higher. If you are good at optimizing listings and getting search traffic, Fiverr can bring consistent inbound orders. Another important factor is time. Upwork rewards communication and consistency. Fiverr rewards ranking and gig performance. Both take time, but in different ways. So which pays more in 2026? If you are a beginner, Fiverr may give you faster first earnings. If you are building long-term high-income freelancing, Upwork often has higher earning potential per client. To summarize, Upwork pays more per client on average, Fiverr can pay faster at the start, and both depend heavily on your skill, niche, and consistency. The smartest freelancers in 2026 often use both platforms together instead of choosing only one. If this helped you understand the real difference, like the video, comment which platform you use, and subscribe for more freelancing breakdowns that help you earn smarter online.